Well, hello friends. A lot has happened since the last time that I got on my YouTube channel. The last time I was on here, I think I posted a video about New York. That was a long time ago. I apologize, I've been so behind. I've been slacking you guys honestly on this YouTube channel. I've just had a lot of things and moving parts going on in my life. Christmas came, Christmas left. New Year came, I started a new semester at Liberty University, and I started a couple new jobs. It's been a pretty hefty few months, but I am back today, live and on camera, with a little haul for you guys. Recently, I started a campaign with ASOS, ASOS, I don't know, how do you pronounce it? So I want to dive in and show you guys what I chose from ASOS. I love the store, and I just think they have really unique, cute things that you can't find everywhere. And they're reasonably priced, and right now they have a 10% discount for all students. So if I were you, I would totally take advantage of this while it's there. But let's dive right in. Okay, now that I took my thumbnail picture, okay, so the first thing I purchased are these rad yellow pants. I'm really into color blocking right now. Corduroy pants. I don't know if you can tell really the texture in this. But these, y'all, these are so fun. They go down to like your ankle and super soft and nice thick texture. I'm really excited about wearing these. So these are by ASOS Design, and they're the Florence Authentic Straight and Lemon Cord. Yeah, these are $56 and really good buy. Okay, so I got another pair of pants. If you've been following me long enough, you know that I love patterned pants, and I just added some to the collection. So these are a legging material, and they're a forest green with a gold and white, almost like a cream stripe. These are the ASOS Design legging and stripe print, and these were $26. Okay. Next is a t-shirt. Who surprised? Nobody. I live on t-shirts. But t-shirts with a little flair. I got it with this animal print sleeve. And this is a size, how did my voice do that? Okay, this is a size 8 in US. And I got it a little bit more oversized, so it'd be boxier. That is that. This would actually be really wild with those yellow pants. Who knows? We shall see. Drum roll, please. This is ASOS Design t-shirt with contrast animal tiger print sleeve for $19 even. There you have it, folks. I think this may be one of the things that I'm most excited about. I've been really wanting a white denim jacket, and you guys, look at this. It has the cutest buttons. They're like a tortoise shell or whatever down the middle, and it's more of like an off-white color. I just think it's so cute and vintagey. So this jacket is cropped, so it'll meet really well with like a high-waisted pant. And you can button it all the way and wear it as a shirt, or you can unbutton it and put like a cute graphic tee or something like that under it. This is called ASOS Design Denim Premium Utility Jacket in Off-White. There you go. Oh, and it was $72. This was the priciest thing I got in this haul, but I've just been really wanting one so bad for the longest time, and I think I fell in love. So that is that one. Okay, I was a little skeptical. I don't know if skeptical is a word. I guess hesitant. So I love the tennis shoe, like chunky tennis shoe trend, but I just don't know if I'll be able to pull these off. But I thought they looked really cute on the model. So these are called Drone Chunky Sneakers in Sand. And these were $60. And they're a little darker of a sand color than I thought, but I still think they're so rad. The coloring looks a little bit lighter in my camera right now, but they're definitely like a more of a brown color. Can you see against, my nails are white so you can kind of tell. But these are so rad. Like they literally look like, I don't know, army sneakers or something. I thought these would be really cute with the striped leggings and maybe the white jacket. But yeah, I got these in a size 8. I haven't tried them on yet. But they're just so unique. Okay, I'm gonna shut up and put this away and get to my last item I got. The last item I got were a very unique pair of earrings. And wow, they're bigger in person. But they're so fun. They remind me of like little play blocks or something you would play with whenever you're a kid, if that makes any sense. I don't know the name of them, but I don't know. They have all these little geometric shapes on them and they're colored and they're just so cute. Look at those. Focus. Okay, there we go. It's got like a yellow wooden cylinder thing and then a white little ball and then a gold charm on it. I just think those are so cool. Octagonal shape with wooden beads and gold tone. Very descriptive right there. And those were $13. They also had a pair of tortoiseshell earrings, which I really liked, which I might go back and buy because they were really cute and I couldn't decide which one I wanted. But that is the end of the haul, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll put all of the links to everything that I got in my haul below in the description box if you want to check them out and purchase any of these. As a student, you can get a 10% off discount, which is so cool because, you know, we're trying to ball on a budget over here. So that is the end of the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and look forward to more videos coming soon.